See, only boys are allowed to get there.
Girls are too.
Oh, Noah. Let's give you
Oh. Felt that one, didn't you? Why don't you and Miles go down again, Noah? Together. That's why Mommy went to get the camera.
He's gonna be in the back of the caboose. He's gonna be in the caboose.
Put him on your lap again, Noah.
Yeah, right. Let him do the butt thing.
Go together.
Let him do the butt thing. One. Here. Hey, Dad,
Go!
tonight I don't want to go on catch. We should have done this earlier. I want to go on. I wish we could go out and catch fireflies.
Do you like Emma now?